In this 1-minute Zoom tutorial, you'll learn how to lock your Zoom meeting or Zoom classroom, a new security feature launched in April. The feature is located in the new security icon, which is only visible to hosts and co-hosts located in the bottom left corner. If you'd like to know more about the other security features, you can check out an earlier video I did located here. These new security features were in response to the Zoom bombings that were occurring in March, where uninvited guests would hack in and disrupt meetings or take over the screen share. If you don't see the security icon as a host or co-host, make sure you have the latest Zoom update by going to zoom.us/download. If you click on the participants icon and see that all your students or meeting participants are there, you can now lock the meeting so others, even with a password, can no longer enter. And to do this, you simply click on the security icon and click Lock Meeting. If you find this video useful, be sure to like it and please subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you get notified when new videos are released.